Hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible state.
Drag your bodies away from the wall and into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, you're alive and with tea. Let's all stay together. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved ones by the hand, please, and kindly watch your step. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. These spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
tour. Please remain seated in your dune buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
A message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Crazies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Assembling vibrations, swinging are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for us, swinging They'll be expecting the beginning. I'll see you all from it later.
Shrouded in a dark disguise.
Start this with that hormone, guys. Ethereal night rises hoops of every size.
this exit by stepping away from the cars to your left foot first. Step out and stand on the platform.
Be sure to make final arrangements now. We will dine